Today I show you how you can turn a regular full fat milk into kefir without grains. It's very easy, 48 hours. In 2 days you will have kefir without grains, and it's much cheaper to do it like this than to buy the kefir from the supermarket. And you can refresh the kefir, make it again and again, multiple times. Infinite kefir. Most important is to use the full fat milk, 3% or 3.5%, and fresh milk, not the pasteurized one, you know, the one that you can leave in room temperature. That no. This kefir I have, I bought a small bottle, it's 1.5%. It's a bit suspicious, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. But most important is to check for lactic culture and kefir culture. Most important to check the temperature requirements and the expiry date. The short expiry date should be a nice sign that it's good kefir. That's the kefir. This is real kefir. Delicious. 1 spoon of kefir in the milk and it will still do it. Okay. Looks delicious. Oh, it's actually ready. I thought it's gonna be sweet. Easiest way to tell kefir is good when it's making this edge. Now it's really ready to put in the fridge. Cap loose, also loose. Put them in the fridge and finish your kefir. Wow, this is delicious. As it is plain without anything, but you can mix it with some fruit, jams. You can make it however you like. Perfect. That's a really good thing to see in kefir. It's perfect. Once the kefir is ready, you can put it in the fridge. You should keep it in the fridge unless you want it to be a bit more sour. If you want it a little bit more sour, you can keep it for 1 extra day outside and shake it in between each day. But once you put it in the fridge, also keep the lids a little bit loose. Write in the comment section below if you can find the full fat kefir, which is the best one, or you can find only the skimmed 1.5% kefir, or if it's cow or goat.